Empty bottles are actually treasures. You definitely wouldn't know if I didn't tell you. 1. DIY door closer. Stick a hook on the door frame. Also stick one at an angle on the door corner. Hang a water-filled plastic bottle. Your DIY door closer is ready. 2. Cut the plastic bottle in half. Then fix the bottle to a stick with a screw. Now you have a tool for changing light bulbs. It's very convenient for changing light bulbs. No more struggling with ladders to change bulbs. 3. Cut off the top and bottom of the plastic bottle like this. Then prepare a plate, put the drink bottle on it. Place peeled garlic inside, then use a rolling pin to mash. This way the garlic won't scatter around. Garlic paste is ready quickly. It's time-saving and convenient. 4. When drilling holes in the wall, you can put some water in half a plastic bottle. This way, dust won't fall to the ground when drilling. The water inside prevents dust from spreading. 5. Don't use tape to join plastic pipes. Cut a section of a plastic bottle. Fit it over the joint and heat with a hot air gun. This way, the pipes are securely joined. 6. Vacuum sealing food. Remove the top of a plastic bottle. Drill a hole in the cap. Insert a straw into the hole. Fix it with hot glue. Attach it to the end of a hairdryer to vacuum seal. See, isn't it convenient? Follow me for more life hacks. It took me 30 years to learn that this is the cleanest way to clean a refrigerator. 1. Refrigerators always accumulate a layer of ice over time. First, unplug the power supply. Prepare a large bowl of hot water and place it in the refrigerator. Close the refrigerator door and wait for 10 minutes. Gently tap and the ice will come off easily. 2. Place tea leaves, white wine, baking soda, white vinegar, and some water in a cup. Leave it in the refrigerator overnight. All odors in the refrigerator will be eliminated. 3. Refrigerators tend to accumulate a lot of water over time. This is because the refrigerator's drain hole is clogged. Prepare a zip tie. Insert it into the drain hole and push it a few times. The dirt will come out easily. This will clear the blockage. 4. Ice formation in the refrigerator is due to aging and poor sealing of the gasket. Check the gasket with a piece of paper. If the paper can be pulled out easily, there are gaps. Use a hairdryer to blow hot air on it. This will fix it easily. 5. The water collection tray at the back of the refrigerator accumulates stubborn dirt if not cleaned regularly. This not only causes bad odors, but also wastes electricity. Add salt, white vinegar, and dish soap to water. Place the water collection tray in a basin and let it sit for 15 minutes. This will clean it thoroughly and remove any odors. 6. If the refrigerator gasket becomes moldy, do not remove it for cleaning. Here's a tip for you. Add alcohol to a bowl. Bind a card and a cloth together. Dip it in alcohol. Alcohol is an organic solvent. It can easily remove dirt. After wiping, it looks as good as new. 7. Guests are coming over. Cutting watermelon like this will have your guests praising you as a master. The first method. The second method. The third method. The fourth method. The fifth method. The sixth method. The seventh method. The eighth method. If you can't remember, like and save the video. Watch it slowly when you want to learn.
ऐसे लाइफ हैक जो अपनी मम्मी को बताओगे तो वो आपको लड्डू खिलाएगी। बोतल में लकड़ी बांधकर इसमें एक छेद कर दीजिए। फिर इसकी मदद से बड़ी आसानी से पेड़ों से फल तोड़ सकते हैं। अंगुली को ब्रेड पर रगड़ने के बाद अंडे के इस पीले हिस्से को पकड़कर अलग कर सकते हैं। टमाटर को 2 ढक्कनों के बीच रख दीजिए। फिर इनको चाकू से काटेंगे तो सारे टमाटर एक साथ कट जाएंगे। पराठे या ऑमलेट को पलटने में दिक्कत होती है तो पैन को उल्टा करके इनको आसानी से पलट सकते हैं। अगर छलनी बर्तन से छोटी है तो चम्मच की मदद से इसको बर्तन पर रख सकते हैं और फिर सामान चाल सकते हैं। दूध उफन जाता है तो बर्तन पर लकड़ी का चम्मच या बेलन रख देने से दूध नहीं उफनेगा। लकड़ी के नीचे एक पैकेट टांग दीजिए। फिर जब भी सब्जी काटें या छीलें तो इनका बचा हुआ कचरा सीधे पैकेट में डालकर रवाना कर दीजिए। अगर आप थैली को बीच में से कुछ इस तरीके से काटते हैं तो सामान निकालने के बाद इसे गांठ लगाकर रख सकते हैं। सफाई करते टाइम दरारों में धूल मिट्टी रह जाती है तो कपड़े में टूथपिन डालकर यहाँ से इनकी सफाई कर सकते हैं।